In this video, we will create this 5-step animated infographic. This can be used to showcase process map or process timeline. Let us start by adding a block arrow shape to the slide. Adjust the size as per wish. Remove outline by marking shape outline as none. Add a rounded corner rectangle, remove outline and change color for identification. Drag the yellow dot to make it complete rounded. Rotate the rounded rectangle and align it to one side of arrow head. Create a duplicate shape using Ctrl+D, flip it horizontally and align to other side of arrow head. Select all the shapes. Go to Shape Format tab, under Merge Shape menu select Fragments option. Delete all the unwanted fragments. We will have round cornered arrow. Select all the shapes and click on Union option under Merge Shape. Add a circle shape and place it over the arrow to cover some part as shown in video. Increase the transparency so that we can align the shape better. Select all shapes and select Fragments option under Merge Shape. Delete all the unwanted fragments. Add rounded corner rectangle, drag the yellow to make it complete rounded and remove outline. Adjust the height so that it's aligned to the height of arrow. Change the color of round edge shape to gray or dark shade. Start adding color to the arrow heads. Right-click on arrowhead and select Shadow from the pop-up menu. Add shadow. You can play around with settings until happy. Create duplicate of this shape and group them together. Flip the shape horizontally. Align the shape below and opposite to original shape. Create similar duplicate shapes and place them below. Start placing the shapes close to each other as in video. Change the color of all arrowheads as per wish. Add a circle shape and place it next to the center of arrow. Create duplicate circle shape, reduce the size and change fill color to white. Align both the circle shapes to center and middle and group them together. Change fill color of bigger circle to match arrowhead color. Replicate the same for all the other 4 shapes. Replicate the same for all the other 4 shapes. Add a line, change color to black or gray and increase the width of line. Rotate the line so that it connects both the circles at center. Reduce the height of the line and send it to back. Copy the line and place at other shapes accordingly. For other side, flip the line horizontally and place between circle to connect them. We can start adding icons or texts to the infographic shapes. The infographic is ready to use. We will add animations for better visualization. For this we need to group all the contents of each section together. To add animation, select the group and add animation from Animations tab. We can select from visible options or check for more options. Here is the final output. Hope you liked the video. Do leave comments as it will help us to improve.